Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are greatly blessed with health, and today we'll try to understand the lessons properly and trying to make the proper concepts of this lesson. And lesson is lesson number 2, and Rashid visits library. Library, we should know what is library. Library is a place where books are arranged according to alphabetical orders. People go there and read the books. People can take the books to their home by filling a form and getting a library card. Library is basically a shared property, and who can take the membership of the library? Every citizen can get the membership of a library. What's the purpose of the library? Library develops the understanding of the peoples about the latest and the previous research work which has done in the different areas of life. Here are some questions that will help us to understand some concepts. What is a library? Recognize the use of library. How can we use? We can use the use of library by visiting them, develop interest for reading. Yes, if we go to the library, we can see that people are reading there. Their newspaper, their magazines, their storybooks, their fiction books, their dramas books. In short, we can say that there are a lot of the books, and all kinds of the books are available in the library. Motivate the students to learn about things as much as they can. Enhance the knowledge. Library is a place which motivates the students to learn about things as much as they can. Library enhances the knowledge of the readers. If a person reads, he can enhance his knowledge. If a person doesn't read, then how can he read? How can he enhance the knowledge? How we should behave in the library? It means we have to, there are some rules in the library we have to follow. Our behavior should be a responsible person, responsible citizen. If we go there, we should also give the due respect of other people. How can we give the due respect? By observing their activities. If they are reading, what should we do? We should be silence. We should observe silence. We should not speak loudly. If the people are sitting there and they are doing the readings, we are not allowed to drag the chairs for creating the disturbance. Library is a reading area, reading place. What should we do? We should not eat there in the study area, reading rooms, reading halls. We should know how to borrow books from library. How can we get the book from a library? We can get a book from a library by filling a form. By filling a form, the librarian issues a membership, and he issues a library card. With the help of the library card, we can borrow and return the books to the librarian easily. Let's try to understand the lesson. Rashid visits library. Let's start. This is a lesson number 2. Rashid visits library. Dear students, I will try to translate in Urdu as well as I will explain in English in easy wordings. And the wording that is used here is very easy. I hope that you will also be able to understand it easily. Dear students, while reading you will underline the meanings of difficult words and you will note the meaning of them. Let's try to start the reading. Rashid was a poor boy. He loved to read but he had no money to buy books. Rashid was a poor boy. Rashid एक गरीब लड़का था. He loved to read. वो उसको पढ़ने का बहुत शौक़ था, ये पसंद था, बट किताबें खरीदने के लिए उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे. One day he was playing in the garden when he saw a man sitting there on a bench. It means if we observe this, in the grounds there are different kinds of the people. Some people go there in the ground for playing, some go there for walking, some people go there for doing reading, as in the case of this lesson. One day he was playing in the garden when he saw a man sitting there on a bench. एक दिन वो खेल रहा था, गार्डन में खेल रहा था, तो उसने एक आदमी को बेंच पर बैठे देखा. The man had a book in his hand. उस आदमी के हाथ में बुक थी. He was absorbed in reading. What's the meaning of absorbed? Absorbed in, it means busy. He was absorbed in reading. वो रीडिंग में क्या था? मसरूफ़ था. वो पढ़ने में, बुक पढ़ने में मसरूफ़ था, मगन था. Rashid uttered, "Wow!" and stopped playing. When Rashid sees this man, a word "wow" comes out from his mouth. When he saw this man, he stopped playing. It means earlier he was playing. It means his love of reading is more powerful than his love of playing. यानी कि उसे खेल से के मुकाबले में खेल की निस्बत क्या पसंद है? रीडिंग पसंद है. जब राशिद ने उस आदमी को देखा तो उसकी ज़ुबान से क्या निकला? वाओ, शानदार. और उसने खेलना छोड़ दिया. He came in front of the man and asked him if he could see that book. These sentences explain his interest, keen interest, deep interest. उसने क्या किया? He came in front of the man. वो उस आदमी के सामने आ गया और उससे पूछा क्या वो इस किताब को देख सकता है? It means he is taking the permission. It means he is showing some discipline, showing some manners. इसका मतलब ये है कि हमें कोई चीज़ लेने से पहले उसके मालिक से, उसके यूज़र से परमिशन लेनी चाहिए. The man looked up and smiled to see the boy's interest in the book. उस आदमी ने उसकी तरफ देखा और उस लड़के की शौक, किताब में शौक को देखकर वो मुस्कुराया, यानी कि खुशी महसूस हुई. इसमें बात ये है समझने की कि जब हम किसी से मिलते हैं और किसी के एक अच्छे अंदाज को देखते हैं तो उस पर खुश होना चाहिए, वी शुड बी हैप्पी, वी शुड। डू यू वांट टू रीड दिस बुक? आस्क्ड द मैन। उस आदमी ने कहा कि क्या आप ये किताब पढ़ना चाहते हैं? राशिद नोडेड। इट मीन्स राशिद ने सर हिलाया। किस बात में? हाँ में। द मैन पेटेड हिम सेइंग, इट्स गुड दैट यू वांट टू रीड बट आई हैव नॉट कंप्लीटेड इट येट। द मैन पेटेड हिम सेइंग, आदमी ने उसे थपकी दी, यानी कि शाबाश दी, उसकी कमर पर शाबाश दी। इट्स गुड, ये कहते हुए ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आप पढ़ना चाहते हैं, लेकिन मैंने अभी तक इसको मुकम्मल नहीं पढ़ा। आई हैव टू रिटर्न द बुक्स टू द लाइब्रेरी टुडे। मैंने इस किताब को लाइब्रेरी वापस करना है आज। राशिद लुक एट द मैन रेदर डिसअपॉइंटेडली। राशिद ने उसकी तरफ मायूसी से देखा, उस आदमी की तरफ मायूसी से देखा, नाउमीदी से देखा। द मैन रियलाइज द सिचुएशन एंड हरी टू एट। आदमी ने इस बात को महसूस किया और जल्दी से ये कहा कि आप लाइब्रेरी से यू कैन रीड अनदर बुक, स्टोरी बुक। आप कोई दूसरी स्टोरी बुक पढ़ सकते हैं। जस्ट आफ्टर अ फ्यू मिनट्स, चंद मिनटों बाद। गो टू द लाइब्रेरी जाएं एंड एंजॉय रीडिंग द बुक्स ऑफ योर चॉइस देयर। उसने इसको तरीकाकार बताया कि लाइब्रेरी जाएं और अपनी पसंद की किताबें वहाँ पढ़ें। द बॉय थैंक्ड हिम, उस आदमी ने राशिद ने उसका शुक्रिया अदा किया और सीधा लाइब्रेरी चला गया। एंड वेंट स्ट्रेट टू द लाइब्रेरी। Dear student, first you have to underline the difficult words of this page. Absorbing, uttered, nodded, pated, yet, disappointed, situation, realize, hurried, straight. Let's move to the next page. When Rashid reached the library gate, he pressed his nose against the glass door to peep in. जब राशिद लाइब्रेरी के गेट पर पहुंचा, उसने अपनी नाक को दरवाजे की शीशे पर रखा और यह उस पर दबाया। टू पीप इन मीन टू लुक इनसाइड, यानी कि अंदर झांकने के लिए। अंडरलाइन दिस वर्ड। अ हैंड टैप हिज शोल्डर मेकिंग हिम टर्न बैक। अ हैंड टैप हिज शोल्डर, किसी ने उसके शोल्डर पर हाथ रखा और उसे वापस मोड़ दिया। A tall man was standing behind him. एक लंबा आदमी, तवीलुल कदामत शख्स ने जो उसके पीछे खड़ा था। He asked, उसने कहा, Can I help you, young man? उसने कहा, क्या मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ, young man? राशिद nodded. राशिद ने सर हिलाया। हाँ में सर हिलाया। I am the librarian. मैं लाइब्रेरियन हूँ। Please come in and look at all the storybooks, said the tall man. Who is the tall man? Tall man is the librarian. He said that आप अंदर आएं और अपनी and look at all the story books. और तमाम story books पर को देखें, नज़र दोहराएं. It means story books is the plural. What's the singular of this word? Story book, said the tall man. They entered the big library hall. It means there is a big hall in the library. There were big tables and chairs. It means there is a sitting area. If we can see the image of this picture, we can observe that books are there. Some people are using the computer and some are doing the reading. And if we see this person, we can say that this is a librarian or a person who manage the issuance of the books and returning of the books. There were big tables and chairs. वहाँ पर बड़े टेबल और चेयर थे. The people were busy reading the books. We can see that people were busy in the readings the books. Some were searching on the computer. If we can see that some were searching on the computer. Others were consulting the catalog. If we can see that some people were consulting the catalog. Rashid went to a bookshelf. Rashid कहाँ गया? Bookshelf पे. This is a bookshelf. And in the bookshelf we can see that books are arranged according to the alphabetical orders. Rashid went to a bookshelf and picked up a storybook. उसने वहाँ से एक स्टोरी बुक ली. द लाइब्रेरियन सेट ऑन द नेक्स्ट चेयर. लाइब्रेरियन सेट ऑन द नेक्स्ट चेयर. लाइब्रेरियन क्या था? उस अगली चेयर पर बैठा हुआ था. He guided Rashid how to get books from the library. It means the library described the method, ways how to get a book from the library. Dear students, here is the question. What's the procedure of getting the books from a library? For getting the books, we have to fill a form, that is the membership form, and after paying the fee of the library, librarian will issue a library card. With the help of a library card, we can get books from the library. He guided Rashid how to get books from the library. The atmosphere in the library was calm and quiet. It means the environment in the library is what kind of the environment is? The reading environment, learning environment. We can see that everyone who is there in the library is sitting calm and quiet. Everyone is reading. Rashid became a regular member of the library. After filling the form and with the passage of the time, he became a regular member of the library. He enjoyed reading. The librarian was also happy to have another book lover. Who goes in the library? A person who is a book lover goes to the library because he has a keen interest in doing the reading. Dear students, you will underline, if you have not underlined, the meaning of words, difficult words in this page. Pressed, peeping, tapped, nodded, librarians, searching, consulting, catalog, atmosphere, calm, quiet. Okay, next move to the next part. We have the word synonyms. In word synonyms, we have the some words that we consider might be difficult. First one is absorbing. I will describe that absorbing means busy. Utter means said. Utter is the second form of the utter. It means say, said. Nod it slightly and move your head slowly. Pat it. Touch यानी कि थपकी देना. Disappointed mean मायूस होना. Realize महसूस करना. Situation सूरत हाल. Hurried जल्दी. Straight सीधा. Yet अभी तक. Absorbing mean taken, busy, engage. Uttered, said, deliver, speak. Bow, lower and raise one's hand यानी कि अपना सर नीचे करना या ऊपर करना यानी कि सर हिलाना. हाँ में. Slap lightly, tap, touch यानी कि थपकी देना. Disappointed mean मायूस होना, अपसेट होना. Saddened, dissatisfied. Realized, noticed, understood, observed. Situation mean you can say that condition, state, circumstances. Hurried, speed. Rushed, quick, straight, direct, unbending, without a curve or bend. And next one is yet, still, now, at this moment यानी कि अभी तक. Here is the word uttered. Uttered mean बोलना, बयान करना. Basically its meaning is बुड़बुड़ाना, बोलना. Nodded slightly mean यानी कि आराम से यानी कि हल्का सा सर हिलाना. हाँ में. Pat it mean थपकी देना. Okay, peep in mean look inside यानी कि देखना. Searching mean तलाश करना. Atmosphere mean माहौल. Calm पुरसुकून. Quiet खामोश. Regular mean बाकायदा. Member. Let's point number 1. Peep in, look, watch, see. Yes. Seeking, exploring, fact finding. Atmosphere, environment, calm. You can see that surroundings, air, place. Calm, peaceful, quiet, relax. Quiet, niceness, silent, still. Fixed, calm and normal. Member, fellow, post, part of a group. Dear students, I hope that you will able to understand the lesson and the word synonyms. After the word synonyms, we have another activity that is about the oral question list. Dear students, here is the oral question list. Why could Rashid not buy books? To give the answer, to find out the answer of these questions, we have to read the lesson again and we have to do the lesson reading carefully. Why could Rashid not buy books? Because he was a poor boy. Where could Rashid go and read storybooks? Definitely answer is the place, and in the place area is library. Whom did he see in the garden? He saw men in the library in the garden who was reading. He saw men in the library who was reading. Why did Rashid stop playing? Because he saw men in the garden who is having a book in his hands. He has keen interest in reading than playing. What did Rashid ask the man? Rashid asked the man to see a book. What did the man answer? The man answered him he had to return the books today. Then he guided Rashid to go to the library and find the books of his own choice. What was the man's observation about Rashid? The man's observation was that Rashid had keen interest in reading the books than playing. Was Rashid satisfied with the man's answer? Definitely he was satisfied. Earlier he was disappointed, but when the man guided him again, he was satisfied, and then he went to the library and he found out the books of his own choice, and later he became a member of the library. What was the man's observation about Rashid? What did the man suggest him to do? Okay, here is the two questions. One is the main observation about Rashid. It was the question when he was in the garden. This question is about when the tall man found him at the gate of the library. Dear students, don't mix the question number 7 and 9 with each other. There are two different questions and you have to answer it according to that context. What did the man suggest him to do? Okay, dear students, if you do the reading of this lesson properly, then you will become able to find out the answer of these questions easily. I hope that you will do reading and try to understand the lesson, and you have to do the work of today on your neat notebook. Dear students, you will have to write the word synonyms on your neat notebooks and make your concept clear about the lesson. If you have the problem, then you can ask me by giving a comment. I hope that you will take care of yourself and your loved ones and work hard, and because work hard is key to success. Take care of yourself and do sharing of good ideas with each others and help one another. I hope that you will take care of yourself and others, and also do reading and study properly. I hope you will follow the instructions and lesson today. Thank you.